Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Dodge Ram 2500 Quad Cab. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7L6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge is a great value with less than 44,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.